So today I'm going to show you a common problem with older model Rancilio Silvia machines. Sometimes you'll have a leak inside, and if that leak is coming from, sometimes it'll come from the boiler around the seal around here, and you'll notice it leaking from the top up here, not down here. Down here is the group head gasket. That's a simple fix. But if it's leaking from up here, it's usually this. There's an O-ring in here that needs to be replaced underneath these bolts. And then another leak, possible leak, is right here. So you can see how this hose just broke right off. And so yeah, so we replaced the hose, and I upgraded to the new version. So the new hose is, so I use this fitting on the left as an adapter, and then that goes to the pump, and then I use this new stainless steel hose, which is used in the newer versions of Rancilio Silvia machines. And then we'll also take out that fitting, and we'll just go straight into the pressure regulator valve, which is right there. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.